So this is a small town called Nussloch. It's 10 kilometers from Heidelberg here. And Heidelberg is one of the famous tourist attraction in Germany. If you happen to come to Germany, don't forget to visit this small town. It's around 1.5 hour drive from Stuttgart and also from Frankfurt if you're driving, but there are trains coming in from both these cities to Heidelberg. Hi guys, I'm here in Heidelberg and it's Sunday here, 6th of November 2022. So I thought to go out and have a quick run in the forest in my nearby area where I live. And you can see here we are in the middle of the forest and there is some nice views around there and this one. So I will start running from here and let's see how far I go. We plan to go not too far because it's a bit cold and I have not covered my running clothes. Yeah, so next time I'll be cautious about that. So you can see this is the nature on the right and it's very refreshing if I take a day running in the forest here. So people out there, I'm moving it. And the administration here also place some benches like that so that if people are tired, so they can have a quick rest. And there is a dustbin facility here, so it's all nature and it's very lovely here. And on the left there are some small houses. People also lives around that. Yeah. So we decided to take this route. Because it's too cold here, and I said I haven't put my dress properly regarding to cover this wind. So we decided to take a short running and then go back to home. But as you can see here, it's a really nice view here. So people actually live here and they actually grow also some crops here and they sell it to the local people. That's very common here in such towns. And the sun is shining but the wind is blowing here, and due to that I'm feeling cold. Yeah, some beautiful houses. Here. And if I can show you the back here. Wow. So these are all the mountains on the top, and they're even very lovely if you see in the night, because there is fog around that and the clouds are near to the mountains, and it's a very nice view here, but obviously it's dark in the night. Yeah, so let's continue like 500 or 600 meters more and then we'll reach to the end of this running here, or jogging you can say. So I was not doing running before, but since 3 to 4 years I tried this, and it feels me good because normally we work during the week and I need some relaxation for me to have my stamina building, and also it's very good for health if you see nature around that and quiet places and you have ideas to think and you work on. So it's a good start, at least in the morning of the day. Some people like to do jogging in the morning, and some people wants to do in the evening. So I'm a guy of mood. So based on my mood, if I have time and my mood is good, so I go in the morning. Otherwise, in the evening. Yeah. So this is a small town called Nussloch. It's 10 kilometers from Heidelberg here, and Heidelberg is one of the famous tourist attraction in Germany. If you happen to come to Germany, don't forget to visit this small town. It's around 1.5 hour drive from Stuttgart and also from Frankfurt if you're driving, but there are trains coming in from both these cities to Heidelberg. Yeah, so we are now reaching towards the main road where we end our running here. As I said, this is a small video on if someone jogs in a country like Germany, so how it feels and how the forest looks like. So this is the road, and we're about to end this video here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry I did not made a big one this time, but I hope you get an idea how the forest and jogging looks like in Germany and other countries, especially in Germany. So I'll be coming with other videos, so stay tuned to the channel, and thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye for now.